A good man.
Alright, see that my viewers and subscribers. So I talk to Bossy now. Bossy, look on the road. Look for me when I talk to you, Bossy. Look on the road, saying the motorist, the road user, we use the road, them pay for use it. So why when I collect the money and I spend the money and fix the road? You're busy a palaver about highway. Remember the people them give you the job, you know. Them not to use highway, you know, my boss. The people them in the rural part of Jamaica, them not to use highway. So the rural part of Jamaica road, they're busy a fix up and allow the highway. Cause I know you are building highway. And the people them are building them highway. For the Uber system where I come, for connect up the place for the Uber system can flow easy. Seeing? So the people them in the rural part of Jamaica now, seeing? We use them road every day. You have to busy and fix them road. Because you can busy come down with a heavy hand. All this type of